Hey, hello, this is Jorge Cortez back again with another video. I decided to make available my coin pouch for sale, and this has been with me for years. I don't know how many years, but I decided to make it available, and it's already on sale on eBay. It's just a single pouch, as you can see, very small. See, there you go, done in leather, hand stitch. That's it. Very affordable. This will last years and years, and check it out. I'm gonna leave the link in the description where you can get it. This will stay with me. See how dark it turned, and now the leather is smoother because it's been in my pocket for I don't know how many years, probably 3 or 4 years. Okay, there you go. Thank you.